What's up, me YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel once again. It's your girl Tina Marley. Y'all know I'm the younger sister of Bob Marley. You guys, I'm just kidding, okay? So yeah, welcome to my channel. I'm just a normal girl living in Ghana, to be precise, in Accra. And in today's video, I'm traveling to Kwahu, one of the most popular places in Ghana. And I was like, oh my god, I can't leave my YouTube family in Accra and travel alone. So yeah, I'm taking you guys along with me. You see, I've done well, right? So at this point we're on the road and I'm like, okay. I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling it at this point, but we went. So make sure to like this video, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. And that is Tina Mali right there, period, on the road.
Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We'll have a ball. I'm sweet like a buttercup. You're a Barbie doll. Show them all what I'm made of. Strut down the hall. Won't stop till I get enough. I wanna live right now. Baby, I'm as young as the night.
Hey guys, the way this driver was over speeding, I've never seen this kind over speeding in my entire life, guys. At some points, I was like, God, please take us to this place safely. Eh, this trip was, one of the trips that I've had the most over speeding. Like, so thankfully, we got to the place safely. It was night, as you can see, and I was just trying to, look at what's going on.
I wanna dance right now. On the floor, I feel so alive. Don't stop, turn it up. Don't stop, turn it up. Don't stop, turn it up. Don't stop.
Thankfully, when we got home, they had prepared yam. That is my favorite. You guys are all invited. I just can't wait for the next morning to see the mountain. Yeah. So, good night. Say hi. 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 Nice. Look at the mountains. Hi. So, you guys, in the morning, we decided to go for a mountain drive. You guys, there is a crazy road on that mountain. I mean, crazy. I'm going to insert a picture for you guys to see. So, we decided to go drive on that place, and yeah, we were on the road going. Can you see the peak over there? And you are driving on top. Anyway, when you go, we are supposed to see the whole of the community down when you're on top of the mountain. So yeah, but the unfortunate thing happened. Look at this beautiful mountain, man. God is wonderful, guys. Crazy view. But guys, as we were going, the unfortunate happened. The car wasn't able to climb the mountain. You guys, look at the place. The place is nice, so the road is curved like that. But I couldn't climb. The car was not going. We kept trying, but ever. So at some point, we had to, turn somewhere and come back because it wasn't going. So yeah, it didn't go. We had to turn and then we fixed the date to the next day. So we came the next day. Look at that place. Look, lush green. I mean, lush green.
Live right now. Baby, I'm as young as the night. I wanna dance right now. On the floor, I feel so alive. Don't stop, turn it up. Don't stop, turn it up.
You see the way it's looking like the mountain is not even there? Haha, that is Eastern region for you. The fog has covered the mountain. You don't even see anything in the morning unless 12 that way, you guys. We went on the second mountain ride and the fog was crazy. All the views we wanted to see, we were not seeing because the fog has covered everywhere. We're not seeing nothing. I mean nothing, nothing. You guys.
Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We'll have a ball. I'm sweet like a buttercup. You're a Barbie doll. Show them all what I'm made of. Strut down the hall. Won't stop till I.
Mountains. This is where paragliding has been taking place during the Kohu Easter, that place. And the stadium is down there, a park or something where they land from, and that is the peak. I went on a drive up there today and it was amazing. Like the fog was covering everywhere, you wouldn't see anything. But then right now the sun is out, so I had to view. I may go back there